Hello everyone, this is Meghna, and today we are going to start a new chapter: weather, climate, and adaptations of animals to climate. Now, like in the heading, you have different names. Now, we are going to learn these all terms one by one. First comes weather. The weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric conditions, like the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called weather at that place. Like if you see, like now different elements of weather are different elements of weather now. You have rainfall, temperature, humidity, snowfall, storms, and etc. Now, if you see these all, you will come to know that weather changes because now if it's sunny and suddenly it changes rainfall. So the weather has changed from sunny to rainy, right? So these all are the elements of weather, we will say. And now these are different types again: sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, hot, warm, same again, cold, windy, breezy, rainy. These are different. Now, daily you come to know weather by seeing outside. Okay, that everybody knows. What are the other ways? Like you want to know the weather report of the next day. Then how do you come to know? Now you come to know with the help of TV. Like the TV you get news, right? Uh, News in the night they will tell the like approximate temperature of the next day, or in that day in the morning they will tell the temperature of the evening or the night. So this is very helpful because now we are having school, and we want to, like it's in middle of summer and rainy season. Now you 2 3 days, like day before yesterday it rained. Yeah, yesterday it rained little bit, and today it might not or might. You don't know. So like carrying umbrella is very heavy and is so big. So you think like you watch the TV or you read the newspaper, or where you get information how the weather is going to be that day, so that we can plan whether to take umbrella to school or not. Now, in this TV and newspaper, what is that? That weather which they tell is known as the weather report. Actually, this weather report generally consists of the information about the weather of that day. Like now, as I told, it's very helpful to people to know, mostly like taking umbrellas to school. Now, who tells, like predicting weather is not, they cannot be too perfect and not, but they can like predict it to an extent. But who predicts this? Meteorologist. Like these people are the people who predict weather. But how do they predict? They see like the 1 week's record or the before day and day, more before day. With the help of that, they take the average and do something, and they predict weather. And this study of that weather of the before days and everything is known as meteorology. Now, in the weather report of a place always includes the maximum and minimum temperatures of the day, which are measured using a maximum minimum thermometer. Now, like by seeing the weather report in the newspaper, also get today's maximum temperature and today's minimum temperature. Like you don't get today's temperature, mostly you get today's maximum temperature and today's minimum temperature. Like now, maximum, these two temperatures are measured with the help of maximum minimum thermometer. See, this is one of the thermometer, maximum minimum thermometer, and the minimum thermometer can be experienced, it can be used in the morning time. It's good for you, it should be used mostly in the morning time to predict the minimum thermometer, like minimum temperature, while the maximum thermometer can be experienced in the afternoon. That is the correct time for like using them, and so that we get the correct score. This is one more type of maximum minimum thermometer. Now what is this? It looks so nice, right? Now this is like rain gauge. Now what is the rain gauge? Like rain gauge, it tells you rain. It is used to measure rain. The measure of rainfall of a place of a place, an instrument called rain gauge is used. The rain gauge collects rainwater of the origin and has an measuring scale which determines the quality, quantity of rain of that place. Like you can keep it in outside when it's raining, and like after the rain is over, if you keep it in soil, you can see here a small tube that water from that will come and it will get measured so that you can know how much did it rain. And in the weather reports also they keep, like today in the evening it rained like 20, for example 28 millimeter, like that they say. They can tell. Now you can make this at home. Now I'm going to tell you how to make it. It's simple. You just need a big bottle, like Coca-Cola bottle you think, and you cut it. Like the upper part and the lower part. The upper part you have the cap, right? That you can cut and you can keep tilted and keep it inside the lower part. And now you tape it, and in the lower part outside, at the outside base you can mark the scaling points. Like over here you are having scales, like you can mark the scales. And and you can keep this like the cap in water, like in the soil, and after rain, and it will absorb the water from the soil, and it can tell you how much did it rain. So you have to remember that the scales you keep should be correct. That's it. In the next class we are going to learn climate and the different zones of India, of what we say, of the world. And that's it for now. We're gonna learn more about this chapter. It's really easy and interesting in the next videos. Thank you. Till now, bye for now.